Checking into the Hyatt Regency Long Beach in the beautiful Long Beach, California. I am so happy to walk in. As you can see, my smile. I am taking a few minutes to myself just to sit in one of the nice sitting areas that they have in the lobby. So let's walk down this long hallway. And now we are entering the room tour. And honestly, this room is so clean and cozy. I just love the modern decor and the soft lighting. And the first stop of this room tour is the bathroom, which is so pretty. You see that sink, you see that mirror, you see the sleek bathroom setup, okay? It's giving me life. And here is the shower, the best part. Of course, the shower is a walk-in standing shower, fully stocked with the soaps and the shampoos, okay, and conditioner. And of course, you see that shower head, okay? Of course, it's detachable. I love it. The shower looks inviting, and of course, you have that sliding glass door. I just love me a good shower. That is the best part, okay? So, of course, you have a closet, and of course, the hotel robe is hanging up with that safe. And it's just beautiful decor all around this room. Y'all gonna see right now. The bed looks super comfortable, and the room comes with everything you will need to relax and have a relaxing stay. This room has a workplace desk, a mini fridge, a coffee maker, and a sleek bathroom setup. So whether you want to watch TV or work at the desk or lay in the bed or look at the beautiful views out of the window or even lounge on that Chase lounge right there, you will be good to go. One of my favorite parts of this room has to be the view, okay? Seeing the water, the city lights, and the peaceful Long Beach scenery really makes this hotel feel like a luxury escape, okay? And look at this entry hallway right here. It is so nice, and I just love the long mirrors. Yes, I had to put on my tennis shoes because I was preparing myself to do a lot of walking, okay? Yes, I have on a dress, and I definitely want to be comfortable. Because if you are visiting Long Beach and you want something close to the waterfront, they have restaurants, they have shopping and attractions. This hotel is definitely a vibe. It's my vibe. I just cannot get enough of this space here, okay? It's definitely giving luxury. A luxurious atmosphere, darling. I love it. And look at here, okay? I told y'all about that view. Look at this beautiful view of what you see when you look out the window. You see the trees. You get that street view. You get that harbor view, okay? The beautiful boats in the harbor. The views of Long Beach. And you guys can book your hotel stay with the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Long Beach just by clicking the link in this video. Okay, do not hesitate. Hurry and run. You see how happy I look. I am absolutely so happy to be here. I just love it. I am definitely in my element. I love doing staycations and vacations, and I know you guys do too. Click the link in this video to book your stay at the Hyatt Regency in Long Beach, California. You will not regret it, okay? I am headed to the elevators to head back to the lobby so I can show you the beautiful views up close outside, okay?